Are you living with chronic kidney disease? If so, you may experience slower recall or brain fog. You're not imagining it, CKD affects your brain's health. A new study published in _Clinical and Translational Science highlights a surprisingly simple solution that could protect your brain. Researchers followed 34 individuals with moderate CKD for a year. Half consumed sodium bicarbonate capsules, the same ingredient found in baking soda, while the rest took a placebo. None of the participants altered their medications or diets, the only difference was those tiny capsules. After 12 months, the baking soda group significantly outperformed the placebo group in memory tests and brain scans. Participants taking the placebo displayed the usual decline in brain structure, particularly in areas linked to memory and attention. However, those taking bicarbonate showed stability in brain structure, with some experiencing increased cortex thickness. So what's the connection? When kidney function declines, the body accumulates acid. This buildup damages tissues, blood vessels, and brain cells over time. Sodium bicarbonate works to neutralize that acid, providing a simple yet powerful benefit. This approach does not cure CKD or reverse aging, but it can help maintain your brain's functionality longer. The treatment was safe and well tolerated, showing no side effects in participants. If you or someone close to you has CKD, this study suggests that small, natural adjustments can have a substantial impact. Baking soda might just be the starting point for enhancing your brain health. And there's more. Thousands of viewers have managed to reverse their CKD through simple, all-natural methods. Check out the description below to explore these life-changing steps.